In this video, I will be showing you how to make a menu in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Templates page and type Menu into the search bar to explore my options. There are millions of templates to choose from, so I'll scroll through the results until I find a design that fits my style. I really like this black and white illustrative cafe price list, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open it in the editor. While the project loads, I'm thinking about how to make the text stand out. Once the menu is open, I'll select the coffee prices and change the font to Nord to give it a cleaner look. I'll repeat this for the specials drinks section as well to ensure the design is consistent. Next, I want to add some visual flair, so I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for Cute Coffee. I'll pick out a fun illustration, drag it onto the page, and resize it to fit the layout. To add a bit more detail, I'll search for cute coffee beans and choose a graphic to place near the top of the list. After a few final tweaks to the positioning, the menu looks professional and ready to go. And that is how you create a beautiful menu in Canva.